so just gonna do a little bonus video for the Tattoo Sadu 420 and channel on YouTube. I'm gonna throw this up here on Instagram as well. Just taking a little break from soil reports because Tad just came by and brought me some liquid gold, a little Pacific Grow. This is the 210.3 with crab and shrimp, stabilized with phosphoric acid, so it's got immediately available phosphorus. It's gonna get your roots going, mine that big volume of soil that we want. In organics, immediately available nitrogen that's going to feed microbes and helps, kickstart cycling, and then just immediately available nitrogen for your plants. So I always like to have this around. The Pacific Grow Sea Phos is a slightly lower nitrogen, and so that's a good one for the end of a round where you might need to, give a little bump in fertility, but you don't want to, take it too far. And then the other thing I'm super stoked that he brought me was some Mealworm Frass. I don't know if you can read that or not, but some Mealworm Frass. NPK on this is 232. It's a really nice neutral pH, balanced organic fertility. I hear people say all the time that you can't burn stuff with organics, and you can, but you'd really have to blow it with Frass to burn something. So it's a really gentle, great nitrogen source. The thing I like about it the most is probably the fact that it's got chitin in it. And so, cannabis plants don't produce chitin. Insects do. It's what their exoskeletons are made up of. And so when the plant takes up this chemical message that there's chitin in the soil, it freaks out because it thinks there's bugs there. And so you get an acquired immune response, a systemic response, systemically acquired resistance, a SAR, and that means that your plant's going to start putting out chitinase, which is going to do all kinds of great things in the soil, including sending a chemical message to pests to stay away from your garden. And so it's a really cool product. It's one of the things that I definitely been the most excited about maybe in the past, decade. It's been the kind of my new favorite input. So get you some Frass, get it in your garden. Yeah, hope you have a great day. Peace.